Yes, students. Now the NCERT question number 3.9. As per the question, there are two towns A and B. A regular bus service is there from A to B or B to A. And in this problem, a cyclist is moving in between the town A and B. Here VB is speed of bus and VC speed of cyclist. And as per the same, the first read the question carefully. Then in the question, the cyclist find that in the direction of cyclist, after every 18 minutes one bus crosses to him, and just opposite to its velocity in direction, after every 6 minutes a bus crosses to him. A to B 18 minutes, B to A after every 6 minutes. Now by the concept of relative velocity, when B and C in the same direction, then resultant will be the difference, and distance equal to speed into time. The same distance we can calculate by the speed of bus VB, distance equal to speed into time. And for the opposite motion, when C and B, cyclist and bus, just towards each other, then resultant velocity will be the addition. So distance equal to speed into time, and for bus simply without relative velocity concept, distance equal to speed into time. From equation first and second, right hand sides are equal, so we can equate the left hand sides. So equating the left hand side, 60 cancel, 6 3 is 18. Now multiplying by 3 VB minus 3 VC is equal to VB plus VC. Now transferring 3 VB minus VB, now 3 VC plus VC. So finally VB equal to 2 VC, and VC is given in the question, speed of cyclist 20 km per hour. So the speed of bus is 40 km per hour. Now in the question also asking the time gap between the service of the buses, after how much the buses are plying. So VB we got 40 km per hour, so we can put the value of 40, this VB in equation first or second. So from equation first, VB plus VC, this is the equation. So in place of VB we can put 40, VB we can put 40 here. So by solving this, 40 30 60 equal to 9 minutes. So it means after every 9 minutes the buses are plying from A to B or B to A. Thank you.